mukbang game. I don't know what this is all about though. I don't know what this is all about. So welcome to mukbang con. Yep, I'm not reading. Hello. Give me a table. That's what I have. That's cute. Okay. Oh, private boots. I afford one. Got money. $100 boots. This is gonna be delicious. We put that. Ooh, some food. We got some delicious food. What is that? Go to a mukbang. Borders, steak. I want a steak bottle. Main. So tacos. I never tried that. See, I've had baked mac and cheese, of course. What's creamy nuts? Sushi menu, I love sushi. I use the one with the other cut of it. Pizza, salmon pizza. I'll take this random sauce. Okay. Step butter. This is delicious. I want all of this right now. Yeah. Go. How are you? Are you? Go. Get away from me. Go. What was that, guys? What was that? Where's the goal? Is this game hard for me? I don't want to hear fronting anymore. Corn dogs. Muscle roasted, I love those. Muscle. I never fried muscle. Most of this food I never even eat in my whole entire lifetime. But who cares? Okay. Oh, we can move. Turn it up, turn it down. Until I'm. Let's start first. I want the burgers. There's no sauce. Oh, there's sauce. Oh, that's good. Ooh, it's season too. Take all these burgers. Take all these burgers. No sauce. That's one. Why are you adding lemon? Okay. What? I can't add that. You guys are. This game is a party pooper. Party pooper. Oh. How do I go back up? Help! 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 I had a nightmare. What the? Why do I need this face? Is it because it's too good? Oh. Okay, there's a force. E down H tied. Oh, this is up. Now tied everything. And the words H. Hello guys, welcome to a mukbang. Get up. Get down. How do I get up? Hi guys. I can't reach the bottle. This game is amazing. Next time I might blame Matt if he says yes. Why am I eating like that? It has seeds. Oh, it has seeds. Give me all this pizza. All pizza. What that is? And it goes into my mouth. Yummy. Add cheese dip. Cheese dip. Ranch. Cheese ranch. Wait, that makes perfect. No, speed one eating. How much can I eat before I explode? How much can I eat before I explode? I'm just stuffing my mouth. I'm just stuffing it. Let's destroy this piece. Let's add some wings again and lemon. It makes it perfect. I want some chicken. Like in this slide, if you're showing this ASMR so far. This ASMR. Just then. What? This game has a lot of detail. That is going into my mouth. Like, this game has so much detail. Like, unhide everything. Like, look at this. This is high quality detail. Yum. Yum is sweet. Dip it. Dip it. Cheese. 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 Yum. In my mouth. Let's try some noodles. Why did I put it in my hair? Why am I sniffing it like that? Yum. My hand's up. Sinful more. Well, let's do this. That always pops up. There. I'm sweating. Stick it in my hair. Oh, it has a little heart. It has a little heart. Because we love the thing. Can I bring all this outside of it? Oh, yes. I'm literally sweating. I'm sweating it. Man, I really like it. Dip it. Done. Yum. Yum. One last. I think I found my muscle now. That just looks so good. Now my macaroni and baked mac and cheese. I ate this before. I'm crazy if I didn't eat it. Right in my hair. I just love this. Why can't I go over there? Is this game mad at me? Let me eat this. Mayo sauce. I ate that violently. Pawn sauce. What is that? Is it bitter? If it's bitter, I'm gonna not eat it. But I can't taste it, so no. I want it. Give me. See this? See this? It goes into my mouth. Yum. Ooh, with that potato dip in here, lemon makes me eat it. Ooh, it's so delicious. I'm tasting all of this. Me eating food. I get that. I'm delicious. This is all delicious. Dip, bit, done. We also have more tacos. Sassy. Sus. I am stuffing it. Same animation. This? Well, it's me. It's just me. Let me eat. Let me eat in peace. Let me suck this in my mouth. It has some muscle. What is that? Is that bird? What's that? Yum. Meow, yum, 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 yum. This is not big enough for mukbang. This is not big enough at all for mukbang. He needs to be bitter. Bitter and stronger. Like these muscles. That's what I announced it. I have no idea. Wow, that's all my phone. Get the... What the freak is that? What the... What is that? Wait, question mark. Fine, you can come in. Come in. Come in. Come in. Well, wasting my time like that gets me angry. Gets me angry. And if you make me angry, I will flab you. Get it? Because I flabbed you. Ah! I want these! Let's add some flames. How about this lemon soda? It's lemonade, not it's actually lemonade, not lemon soda. Just to point that out. Yum. 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 Yummy. Dumpy. Yum. 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 I want a lot of spicy. Why? 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 I want some tofu. I want some tofu. Oh, I have too many friends. Fine. Guys, I will sub guys, you can friend me on Roblox. Right now, like literally right now after I post this. Send me a friend request. Don't. I have AirPods? Oh, yeah. Why do I need AirPods? Like, all this is hard. Now, time to eat the main. If this is a whole mukbang, I can't eat this all, but I'll play. I don't know. Comment down below a Roblox game I should play. Because I'm looking for one. I have no ideas what to post back today, and I figure it out. This game is strangely popular, and it has food, and the thumbnail has food. So I just had to play this game. No. Cats? I keep hearing cats. There's cats. There's not cats in a mukbang. I would do when I soon. Maybe I will play this game again if if it hits 100 whites and it hits and when I hit like 5 subscribers. That is my goal, 5 subscribers. So can you please subscribe and like and comment that's what should I do next for my next video. I only got actually 1 comment on every video. Not on every, just on 1 video. Shout out to forget his name. Just shout out to set the video and Star You Barry 2. Go, why are you bad? Get the freak away. What the freak has happened? What the freak has happened? What the freak has happened? It's not connected anymore. It's not collecting it. Yeah. Man, I'm turning this on. Yeah. Yeah. Now like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. Make my stream come through. And you can be a part of that by liking and subscribing. So please share this to someone you know, or just share it to someone. What the freak does this sound like? I don't like it at all. Why are we eating cereal? I saw the sword. There. Done. What and what should I play next? For the 9th time I said. Please. So sell this to someone. Sell all my, even if it's a videos or just sell it. Just sell it to someone. But please make my dream come true. I'm just saying this. I'm gonna stop yapping and eat. Yum. Oreos? Cream cereal. This is cereal. I don't care. This is cereal. Turn this up. Turn this up. Yum. Yum. Abba-dabba. Basing. And I will personally heart it and apply and write it. Yum. This will take an awful while. Yeah. This might be the end of the video after I'm done eating this. This is taking way long and I don't want to hear this. It's satisfying, but I don't want to listen to it any longer. Wait. Please. I want to listen to this. And today Max is gonna post the video. I might be in it. If he don't want me to be in it, I will not be in it. But just personally, just right in this way. It will help me a lot. It will mean the world to me. And also set out my bio, set out my YouTube channel. And say this. Just say it. Now, yeah, this is the end of the video. This is the end of the video, but before the end of the video, we are gonna have a montage of of one more meal, and I will not yap the whole time. Let me set it up. Boom. Now let's get to the ace. Today we are eating a smile. Guys, what is happening to my internet? Wait. Guys, this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Please subscribe to this world. Please like and subscribe. And share, comment, write, subscribe. My goal is 5 subscribers. Thank you so much for those. Shout out to the 3 people that subscribe to me. I hope they have a good day. I hope all you have a fun time in my video. Now, wait and subscribe for the next one.